empirical, that's learning by doing. Empirical, that is conducting experiments, not only enhances the self-confidence of children, not only connects their knowledge with the real life, but also these children in their innocent yet powerful voices are appealing to the parents, suggesting the parents to make desired changes in their lifestyle so that they can give safe and secure future to their children.
Good morning and welcome dear parents. Today we are happy to present our class program. Today we will show you some experiments and share rules for healthy living and also talk about the values of good living. These are 3 stations for the Empirical show. We are a new Baro. Bonjour tout le monde. Do you know what he is saying? Yes, he is saying good morning everyone. Como estava? He is asking how are you? Sava super. You also say Sava super. I am a talking toolbox. One day I saw Palika was cleaning their tool corner once suddenly. Ow! Someone opened my lid too hard. Did you hear? What was that? Did this toolbox say something? Yes, I guess so. You mean it's alive? It says. Yes, of course I'm alive. You are right. I have a collection of simple machines. Would you like to say hello to them? Actually, they would also like to say hello to you. People call me Hammer. You know, I help fixing it. Tuck. You better not forget that our movement, whether you are going to school or not, in India or abroad, is possible only because of me, Will and Elsie. I am an axe and she is a knife. Ask the carpenter how his work is impossible without me. Ask Mama how important I am. Hey, may I have your attention? I have fully of water. Conveniently, children love me. And how about me? Do you think I am any less important than anyone? Ask farmer, ask builder, ask gardener, ask all of them how important I am. When 2 simple machines combine together, there become compound machines like scissors. I am a scissor. I am a combination of the user and the one who doesn't know how helpful I am. Let's take a moment to reflect on something a machine, a construction machine, made by a man. It's always in our hands, in our pockets, under our pillow. Ayana, are you talking about a mobile phone? Yes, you guessed it right. We are talking about mobile. Mobile phone connects us to the world. But did you know they carried in danger? Lack of sleep, eye strain, headache. I'm so far familiar with people who are using too much mobile. All of us is energy. Without us, we would have struggled to even open a bottle or to lift a bucket of water. We help everyone. From scissors to seesaw, we make your life better. We are a family and we all live comfortably in our toolbox. We enjoy. Do you realize the importance? They are helpers, not replacements. Without them, every small little things, you will have spent more time and more effort. So let's thank for what all they do for us, but you should use them wisely. It's very disturbing to see how people have started using complex machines like mobile phones and computers unethically. You can harness their power to strike a balance while managing them. And what about relationships? When we are visiting our relatives, Friends, we are busy because we are addicted to screens. We request you parents to not forget that mobiles are tools. Mobiles should be used wisely. You must limit screen time. Take breaks and understand mobiles are our servants, not our masters. Use them wisely, not blindly.
I extend my heartful thanks to my diligent and completely committed teaching faculty and esteemed parents for their unconditional support, because without this support, nothing is successful in school. Thank you.